guys, welcome back to my channel. We just finished getting some ornaments for our Christmas tree. We usually do this every single year. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the ones we picked, and then we are gonna start decorating the tree. I'm gonna put the date on the ornaments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I think I'm gonna make this as a vlog because I am gonna make chili later. So I will share that recipe for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned and see how the Christmas tree turns out. I absolutely love the smell of it. I can already feel the difference of having a real Christmas tree. My husband's probably gonna cut the top off. As you guys saw, it's a little too big, but it looks so pretty and I can't wait to see how it turns out. So be sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications to not miss any future videos. We're getting the top cut since it's super long.
I got a tail.
And Aaron is dressed up in his Paw Patrol costume. It's a little tight, no?
Yeah.
It's okay.
And I got a tail.
Looks cool. And this little guy took a nap. A little short nap. Is that Liam? You see the Christmas tree? ¿Tienes el árbol? Wow. Oh my god. Alright, got the star on. There we go. Look at that. Now I gotta fix the ribbon a bit. Alright. this is Liam's spot over here. He loves to mess with the shoes and just have them everywhere. Liam. Liam, pon los zapatos para atrás. ¿Dónde van? Ahí no van. Can you put them back, please? Liam?
I'm putting it on.
Thank you, Ron. Liam. A little butt scooter. Say hey. Say thank you, big brother. So the boys are decorating their letter to Santa. We are gonna write a letter to Santa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? And they're just decorating it with some fun little stickers that we had from a little book we got. And Liam is over here messing with a cord that he's not supposed to. Hey, Liam. Eso no es juguete. So the boys are done with their letters. Okay, we gotta fold them. Fold them like this.
This one is
So
mine.
it can fit in your little, in the stocking.
How we fold that? I fold mine.
Fold it like that? Okay. Now it's just writing his name. So Santa knows it's for him, right? Noah? Yeah.
Who's missing?
And what's after A?
8.
H. Good job. Hmm?
What's that girl's name?
What girl?
It's like Santa.
Mrs. Claus? Wow, Noah.
Mrs.
You got it. All right. Put it in the stockings. Just be careful que no se caiga la cosa.
Frank, don't you love
You got it.
Sure, bro.
I put in my end.
Yeah. So Santa can read it. Alright, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy chili recipe. I got my ground beef. So we do actually like eating meat. So I'm going to use ground beef, some pinto beans, kidney beans, crushed tomatoes, and some other spices over here. I will have all of the ingredients and the recipe that I used down below in the description box. I'm also going to be using some brown sugar. This is the first time I make this one, so we'll see how it turns out. But I am actually craving some chili today since it's cold outside.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could...
So this recipe actually doesn't call for chopped green bell pepper, but I decided to add it since I have actually made it before with green bell pepper and I love the flavor of it, just to give it a little bit more variety.
Trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
So I am actually using crushed tomatoes, and this recipe calls for diced tomatoes and tomato paste, but I actually didn't have it. So I just went with it and used this, which did make me a little nervous. And then I also this is also the first time I tried ketchup with my chili, and it was so good, you guys. I was actually pretty surprised. So definitely just go with what you have if you don't have every single thing this recipe calls for. Just try it out and you'll be surprised. It was very yummy. And then I also just used the beans that I currently had in my pantry. And then lastly, I just added all of the spices together and made sure it was mixed well before I let it simmer for at least an hour. Alright guys, so I am going to end this vlog with an overview of how our living room currently looks like with our tree finally decorated. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it this far into my video, thank you so much. Be sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe for more content, and turn on your notification bell to not miss any future videos. And I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye guys.